Right now, you're holding a supercomputer, your phone. It's easy to forget just how powerful that device in your hand really is. In just a few decades, we've gone from computers that filled entire rooms to technology that fits in your pocket, always ready to help you learn, create, and connect. It's not just for scrolling or texting, it's a powerful tool for learning, creating, and even protecting. With the right mindset, your phone can become a gateway to new skills and opportunities, far beyond entertainment or social media. Forget the Hollywood hacker stereotype. You don't need a dark room, a hoodie, or a wall of monitors to get started in cybersecurity. Today, anyone can start exploring cybersecurity with just a smartphone. There are countless apps and resources designed to teach you the basics, and many of them are free or low cost. Your phone has a processor, memory, storage, and constant internet access. Everything you need to dive into ethical hacking. It's a compact powerhouse, capable of running complex apps and analyzing data in real time. You can analyze networks, test for vulnerabilities, and see how data moves, all from your pocket. With the right apps, you can simulate attacks, monitor traffic, and learn how to defend against real threats. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Anyone, anywhere, can start learning about cybersecurity, no matter their background or experience. Ethical hacking isn't about breaking the law, it's about understanding systems to help protect them. It's about curiosity, responsibility, and making the digital world safer for everyone. Think of it like a locksmith learning how locks work, not to break in, but to help people stay secure. By understanding vulnerabilities, you can help fix them and protect others. Your phone is your key to understanding digital security. It's a tool that can open doors to new knowledge and even new careers. It's more than a camera or social media device, it's your mobile lab. You can experiment, test, and learn, all from the palm of your hand. All you need is curiosity, your phone, and a willingness to learn. The resources are out there, waiting for you to take the first step. You don't need fancy gear, just start with what you have. Even the simplest smartphone can unlock a world of possibilities if you're willing to explore. Let's see how you can use your phone to begin your ethical hacking journey, safely and responsibly. The adventure starts right here, with the supercomputer in your pocket. Let's clear up the word hacking. It's not about stealing or breaking in. Ethical hacking is about being a digital security guard, testing systems to find weak spots before criminals do. Companies hire ethical hackers to run penetration tests, giving them permission to try and breach their defenses. The goal: find flaws, report them, and help fix them. It's a structured, professional process, always with permission. After testing, ethical hackers write detailed reports with recommendations. The aim is to make systems safer for everyone. Ethical hacking is legal, valuable, and all about building defenses. It takes curiosity, problem solving, and a strong ethical compass. You're not a digital outlaw, you're a digital guardian. Why learn ethical hacking? Because cybersecurity matters to everyone, not just experts. We live online. Banking, shopping, sharing personal info. Learning these skills helps you protect yourself and those you care about. You'll make smarter choices about passwords, networks, and links. These skills are in huge demand, even outside cybersecurity jobs. Understanding security makes you better at any tech role. It's an investment in your safety and your career. In the digital age, understanding is power. Ready to turn your phone into a cybersecurity lab? You might be surprised at just how much you can accomplish with just your smartphone and a few free apps. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, you don't need expensive equipment or a fancy setup to get started. You don't need to spend a dime. Most of the essential tools are completely free and available right from your app store. Android users can start with Termux, a terminal app that brings Linux tools like Nmap and Python to your phone. With Termux, you can run powerful commands, install packages, and even write your own scripts, all from your pocket. Both Android and iOS users can use network analysis apps like Fing to scan Wi-Fi networks, and see connected devices. These apps help you understand what's happening on your network in real time. Wi-Fi analyzers help you visualize nearby networks and spot issues or potential threats. You can see which channels are crowded, where your signal is weak, and even detect suspicious activity. These tools teach you how networks work and how to spot vulnerabilities. By exploring your own network, you'll learn to think like a cybersecurity professional. For scripting, Python and Termux is a great start. Automation is a superpower in cybersecurity. Writing simple scripts can help you automate scans, analyze data, and save time. Use a simple note-taking app to document your findings. Keeping organized notes will help you track your progress and remember what you've learned. Don't overwhelm yourself. Start with a network scanner and a terminal, and get comfortable. Mastering the basics is more important than having every tool. Learn the basics before adding more tools. Take your time to understand each app and what it does. Your phone is a powerful starting point. With curiosity and practice, you can build a strong foundation in cybersecurity right from your pocket. Focus on understanding, not just collecting apps. The real skill comes from knowing how and when to use each tool. Build your skills step by step. Each new concept you master will make the next one easier. These basics will take you far. With dedication and the right mindset, your journey into cybersecurity can start today, right from your phone. Let's get practical. Here's how to set up your phone for ethical hacking, step by step, so you can learn the right way from the start. First, always practice on networks you own or have explicit permission to test. Your home Wi-Fi is the safest and best place to begin experimenting. If you're using Android, install Termux from the Play Store or F-Droid. Termux is a powerful terminal emulator that lets you run Linux commands right on your phone. Open Termux, then update your packages with the commands, and this ensures you have the latest tools and security updates before you start. Next, install Nmap by typing. Nmap is a classic network scanning tool used by professionals everywhere. Use the Fing app to quickly discover your network's IP range and see what devices are connected to your Wi-Fi. In Termux, run a scan with, replace with your network's IP range. This command will search for active devices on your network. You'll see a list of all connected devices, laptops, smart TVs, phones, and more. It's a great way to visualize your home network. Congrats, you've just completed your first network reconnaissance. This is a foundational skill for ethical hackers. Both iOS and Android users can use Fing for a simple visual scan. No command line needed, just tap and go. Tap on any device for more details, like open ports, device names, and manufacturers. This info helps you understand what's on your network. Research what you find. What's port 80? Port 443. Each port tells a story. Scan, observe, and learn as you go. Remember, always stay within your own network or get explicit permission before scanning. Ethics are crucial in cybersecurity. Practice makes perfect. Keep exploring, keep learning, and always hack responsibly and safely. The most important rule: permission. Never test a system, network, or app without explicit written permission. Good intentions don't make illegal actions okay. Think like a locksmith. Only pick locks you're allowed to. Bug bounty programs are a legal way to test real systems and get rewarded. Respect privacy, even on your own network. Don't snoop on others' data. Report vulnerabilities responsibly to the owner, not the public. Before any test, ask, do I own this? Do I have permission? Am I respecting privacy? If the answer is no, stop. Trust is everything in ethical hacking. One mistake can ruin your reputation and bring legal trouble. Always stay on the right side of the law. Mistakes are part of learning, but some are avoidable. Don't get overwhelmed by too many tools. Master the basics first. Focus on one tool, like Nmap, and learn it well. Avoid scope creep. Never test beyond what you have permission for. If you find something interesting outside your scope, ask for permission before exploring. Document everything. commands, results, times, and thoughts. Good notes are essential for professional reports. Don't ignore the human element. Social engineering is a major security risk. Learn about phishing and how attackers trick people. Security isn't just about code, it's about people too. Stay organized, stay ethical, and keep learning. Mistakes happen. Just make sure you learn from them. That's how you grow. Learning ethical hacking makes you more aware of online risks. Start with strong, unique passwords. Use a password manager. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, everywhere you can. 2FA adds a crucial layer of security to your accounts. Be wary of public Wi-Fi. Attackers can set up fake networks to steal your data. If you must use public Wi-Fi, use a VPN to encrypt your connection. Always keep your software and apps updated. Patches fix security flaws. Don't ignore update notifications. They protect you from known attacks. Small habits make a big difference in your digital safety. Stay alert, stay updated, and stay secure. You've started your journey, but cybersecurity is always evolving. The learning never stops. New threats and tools appear every day. Make daily learning a habit. Even 15 minutes a day adds up. Use free resources like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, blogs, and YouTube. Consistency beats intensity. Keep at it. Explore different areas: network, web, mobile, cloud, forensics. Start broad, then specialize in what excites you. Deep knowledge in a niche is highly valuable. Connect with the community, forums, social media, meetups. Learn from others, ask questions, and share your progress. The cybersecurity community is supportive and vast. Stay curious, stay ethical, and keep growing. The digital world needs more defenders like you.